Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after snapping a 3-day winning run or bullish move to the recent 72-cent handle, the market found heavy supply and firmly, sharply downturned. And from there, puts a little bit of risk as there is some divergence and maybe even seeing a pullback now towards the region of 70, 80 or down to 70.5 as a potential target. As no doubt longs or positions that are holding long may start unwinding just to lock in some profit. Turning to the euro, well, the market also displayed bearishness and an engulfing candle that could see further weakness after backing away 118.30-35 resistance and now looking towards 116.65 to around 115.80-85 and reassess from there. The dollar yen, well, the market did take a stab at the neckline of the head and shoulders, but from there didn't close beneath it. And now questions, was it a false break? Still keeping an eye on this pattern to see if the market can turn to the downside and snap through this level that is around 158.65. If we do see that break and a close of New York, then that would reaffirm the downside and potentially give a further call to a target of 156 and reassess from there. Turning to sterling, also an engulfing candle after this very strong rally. It's about time we did see a bit of profit taking because no doubt the market is quite long and therefore we could see a pullback. That is towards the region of 134.5 or maybe slightly lower, but there is firm support seen around 133.65 to 80. Turning to commodities, but as you all probably know, I still do not hold a view for gold and oil due to the Middle East conflict. I'd rather stay out at the moment and just watch how the market moves because there is a hell of a lot of noise and big swings that could easily catch you off guard or even stopping out too soon. So let's see how the market plays. It does look a little bit weaker. Keep an eye on these technicals. Nevertheless, I hold neutral for the now. And also oil holding clearly above this $83 mark, but still confined in a 83 to a 106 range. Looking at the technicals, they are attempting to pick up, but as I say, I'm neutral, so I'll sit out for now. Well, that's about. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.